Episode 1 of the latest hot TV show just dropped. Okay, maybe that's not the next Lost, but Greg Eisenberg has just released part 1 of a docuseries titled Inside the 50 Trillion AI Gold Rush, and it's pretty good. Have you seen this at all? Have you seen anything to do with this?
No, but I'm interested. Why don't I know about this already?
I think it's going to be this. It's going to be one of 5 episodes. And do you know Greg Eisenberg?
No.
Okay, so
I think I know him, like not by name, but I think I know the YouTube face. I like that.
Yeah. He's got a weird face, but and he's done this in partnership. So this is the CEO of Bolt, Bolt.news. So I think it's actually something that's commissioned by them or whatever. There's Greg.
Oh, yeah.
He makes loads of AI content or whatever. But this is a really interesting thing of how, well, I mean, it's basically kind of how it's kind of a background on him, mostly how he got kind of big. And basically he created the TikTok before TikTok was TikTok, and he got bought out or something like that. So it was part 1 was mostly to do with him. But it's a documentary on AI, and I'm really keen to watch it because it's one of those things where we're still in it. We're still in the midst of it. And already there's been documentaries made on it. So they're pretty ahead of the curve when it comes to that. And I think, again, it's in partnership with Bolt, or Bolt has something to do with it. I don't know. Maybe it's like there you go. Sponsors are making this documentary possible. Bolt, and don't even know what Brexit is. Yeah, the vibe coding thing. But yeah, looking forward to tuning into this. It got literally this morning, I think, 24th of September. So, a couple of days ago.
When is the next episode drop? I need to decide if I want to watch it right now and wait for the next one, or just wait for all.
Doesn't say. Maybe go on his thing. Maybe he's already dropped it, as you kids say. Okay, yeah. So he's even released a video since that is not part of the series. So
2 days ago. So maybe it's a weekly thing.
Could be. Maybe.
Yeah,
maybe. So it's pretty cool.
Yeah,
something to tune into. Making history. We're in history right now. We're inside of. This will be spoken for millennia, and you know what they're going to do? They're going to be like, Command AI. That was they were there. They nailed it. They were there before the rest of them. Big deal.
And everybody who was here watching, they'd be like, "We
53
were there
people. You guys are making history right now. You're part of history."
It'd be like, "We remember the rebrand." By the way, most people don't know because we did it so early on the video, but that's fine. That's fine.
This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Command AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.